Hey folks, when it's that time you want to clean your Samsung oven, you want to take that bottom warmer drawer off. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to show you. When you pull it out, as far as it goes, on the side over here is going to be a little clip. Okay, on this side is the right side now looking at the oven. You are going to take this and you're going to hold it up. And on the other side, you're going to do the opposite. Okay, on this side, since the clip is on the top, you're going to push it down. Okay, like that. You're going to hold this one down, that one up, and the thing slides right out. Matter of fact, let's see. If I hold this one down, you're able to pull the drawer out a little bit. You see it? So you can do it with one hand if you want. Take this one out here. This one here, I'm going to hold it up. I pull the drawer, and now the whole assembly is going to come right out in your hands. See that? Just like that. I'm going to show you on the side over here where that clip is. This is the one on the right side. Okay, here's the clip up close without the reflection. Just going to hold this here like that, right? See, there's the retainer right there, a little rectangle square. So you're going to hold this up, and it slides right out. Like I said, the other side, you're going to push it down. I'm going to show that side. Over here. There you go. This is the other side. All right, this one, same thing. Just going to release it off that little square tab there, and you pull the drawer right out. Of course, to put it on is very simple too. Just going to line up this tab with the little slots over there. 1, 2, and slide it in. You're going to hear it click. All right. You might hear it click together if you're even. If you go in crooked, you're going to hear click, click. All right. So, yeah, clean up at the bottom over there. There's the warmer over there. Clean up all the dust. There you go. Hey, if you want to keep this stainless here nice and shiny, clean it with any product that you want. I tried all the stainless steel one. But to keep the fingerprints off of it, Windex. Windex makes it nice and streak free. All right. Let me line this drawer up for you because I'm going to need 2 hands to line it up in order to push it in. All right. Let's see. Let's set it up for you. There you go. Lined up the 2 tracks. Now we can just push it right in. See that? Click, click. Once it's in, and that's it. That's as far as it gets. All right. Because sometimes you can't clean all the way back there in order because the tray doesn't come out. That's it. There's your lower drawer / warmer tray. And we're done. All right. Thanks for watching.